Earlier today, several law enforcement agencies descended on Carson Park. However, there was no emergency. Instead, officers were practicing their response to a child abduction. 18 News' Elliot Adams has you covered on the police training exercise.
It's a parent's worst nightmare, and on Thursday morning, local law enforcement practiced their response to a child abduction in an elaborate training scenario.
Any type of case where a child is a victim is extremely emotionally draining.
Officers were called to Carson Park to investigate a mock child abduction, complete with role players, placed evidence, and even local businesses participating.
So investigators work through talking to family, talking to witnesses, utilizing some businesses in the area for cameras and footage and things like that.
A focus of the response, leveraging technology.
With public access cameras, with flock cameras that we have around the area, with cell phones. Kids nowadays have cell phones, and that's how they're messaging with people. That's how they're meeting people online. So that's a huge part of the investigative piece that we need to stay up to speed on. So today's scenario is really geared towards how do we all work through that.
Another focus was collaboration with local agencies like the Eau Claire Sheriff's Office, Altoona Police Department, and more assisting in the training investigation.
In case of a large-scale event where a child went missing, we would utilize every department that we have and every resource that we have. So it's important that we all understand our roles and know where we can fit in so that we can solve these incidents as quickly as possible.
Ultimately, the officers in the training scenario were able to successfully locate the abducted child. In Eau Claire, I'm Elliot Adams.
Thanks, Elliot. The training was conducted by the Eau Claire County Child Abduction Response Team, which is a multi-agency group that includes the Eau Claire Police Department. They conduct in-depth mock scenarios annually.